The Digi ConnectCore 8M Nano Development Kit offers a cost-effective SOM platform for simplifying embedded product development efforts. The System on Module, or SOM, integrates memory, power management, pre-certified wireless connectivity, and advanced device security with a complete open-source Linux software platform. It was designed to simplify embedded product development by eliminating the difficulties and risks associated with custom-designed boards. This Digi ConnectCore 8M Nano Development Kit offers numerous display interfaces as well as other hardware options for added flexibility and enhancing user experience. It also includes two Digi XB connectors to allow for cellular, short-range, and long-range connectivity. This kit is well suited for products in medical, transportation, industrial, and agriculture industries. Other ideal applications include IoT, such as human-machine interfaces, equipment monitoring, edge computing, machine learning, and many others.